Hey guys, Havasu out in beautiful Lake Havasu. Hope you're having a great day so far. We're on our way to check out a newer listing out in Canterbury Estates. It's a really nice one right at the end of the cul-de-sac. It's got a pool, big lot. Hang out with us and check it out too, and I'll talk to you in a minute. All right, so I'm going to do a little drive-in video since Google can't get inside of Canterbury Estates because it's gated. So this is Chenoweth, and this is the street that's basically right off the highway, right across the street from Lowe's, if you know where that is. There's actually a couple gates into Canterbury. This is Lakeridge Estates here to our left, which is an HOA, but there's no gate. And then there's Canterbury first gate, and then there's another gate down the way there towards London Bridge Road. So we're just going to go in this gate right here for now. All right, so all of these houses in here all have to meet architectural guidelines. There is an HOA, of course, in here. It's pretty lenient, and they take care of this place very, very good. All the streets are always brand new. Everything's always good. So basically, Notting Hill Road is the gate road. And evidently the people are going to be here, so I'm probably going to do a voiceover after I shoot the video. We'll see. All right, house is up here on your right at the end of the cul-de-sac. Let's park and check it out. All right, guys, so we're out at 3761 Notting Hill Road, and this is inside Canterbury Estates. Underground utilities, natural gas. It's all nice in here. They are here, so I'm probably going to do a voiceover. Just wanted to go over it really quick with you. It's built in 2003. It's 2,171 square feet. Has a nice pool. It's at the end of the cul-de-sac. Probably has some nice views. I'll put a link to the description, listing description right below this video, so you can check that out as well. So you can see the property line is between the water boxes here, and it goes all the way back to the wall, and then you have all that space, side parking, probably do something pretty nice back there. So all these houses are pretty much the same. They're all going to have high vaulted ceilings, split floor plan, open living. They're all kind of the same. Once you've seen about a dozen Havasu houses, you've kind of seen them all. Nice little courtyard and sitting area. It's got the tall doors, security cameras. All right, so I'm doing a quick voiceover because the lady was following around and we were talking the whole time. So anyway, they have lived here for about 10 years. They had redone everything in this house, from the new floors to the kitchen. Everything's redone, bathrooms, stainless steel package, leathered granite counters. I mean, they really did a great job on the upgrade, because the original houses were really kind of drab, tile, everything. So they did a great job. This is a open floor plan. It's a split floor plan, so the master's on one side of the house and the other two bedrooms are on the front side of the house. So that's the master back there. This is the master. It's a pretty good size, has the huge ceilings. All new floors, the whole house, guys. New floors, slider out to the pool area. Got the little soaking tub, walk-in shower, dual vanities. So if you see the shower, that's what the whole house used to look like. So it's that kind of tile, that kind of color. Though those would have been on the counters, everything would have been like that. This is the walk-in closet in the master. Nice, same granite as the kitchen. Really nice stuff. So this is the guest bath between the two other bedrooms. It's got like the little barn door slider, glass doors for the shower, all tile. Real nice job they did on it. Granite slab on that. This is bedroom number 2 at the front of the house. Decent size slider to the closet. And you got bedroom number 3 right across the hall. And then to the right's the living area and kitchen. That's the front door. Got your indoor laundry right by your door to the garage. Got a little pantry as well, and this is right off the kitchen, by the way. So the garage is packed with stuff. Evidently, they just fell out of escrow a couple days ago. The buyer couldn't perform, and now it's back on the market. So this is has a 21-foot 2-car garage. Also has a 40-foot boat deep bay. Both have 8-foot doors.
All right, guys, we're out on the back patio. Huge ceilings out here as well. Really nice yard, really nice pool, travertine all around. So they have this full solar array back here. And then this is a RV park back here, but you have to either buy or lease your lot. You can't just come in and rent it. And I guess it's real quiet. It's all just snowbirds, and they're in bed by 7 evidently. So the sellers, the owners here really like it because it's quiet and nobody makes any noise. Got a nice little Baja shelf. Got spill pots. This is all on natural gas too, by the way. So it's cheap. Got the hot tub, enclosed pool equipment. You have killer panoramic lake views. Trying to get it about what it looks like to the eye. It's probably a little closer than that, probably about that. Really nice pano views. They have a huge amount of side parking, huge wide gate. Have a big old fifth wheel back here. Oh, by the way, the garage is air conditioned. That's the mini split unit for the garage. All the pool equipment looks really good. It's not leaking. And by the way, the garage is a 3-car and it has a 40-foot depth, boat deep side, and both 8-foot doors. All right, guys, hope you enjoyed that quick little video of the house over here in Canterbury Estates. I'm going to do a voiceover because, we were talking the whole time. So anyways, if you guys have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. I'll put all my direct contact information right below this video. Also put a direct link to the listing detail page so you get all the original listing pictures, all the pertinent listing information, all that. So you guys have a great weekend, and I'll talk to you soon.